The afternoon sun was slowly sinking behind the hills, filling the valley with a golden light. Sheep and goats grazed peacefully in the grass, while the wind gently swayed the branches of the olive tree. In the middle of the meadow stood Dorcon, Chloé, and Daphnis. For a few moments, no one spoke. Only the soft jingling of the animals' bells and the rustle of the grass could be heard. Then Dorcon stepped forward.
Chloé, I spend my days guiding my cattle across the seas. For a long time, I believed that strength was the most important thing that a man could have. To be strong, to work up, and to face every challenge without fear. But recently, I've learned something different. True strength is not only in the body, but it is in the way we treat others. Daphnis is a good stepper. His gods follow him because he guides them with calm and passion. And I truly respect it and admire it. And you bring joy wherever you go. When you laugh, it feels as if the entire valley becomes brighter. For this reason, I wanted to tell you honestly that I admire you.
Chloé, I am not very good with speech. The gods don't demand grand words. Yet, living among gods has taught me something important: patience. They wander off, get lost, climb rocks, but in the end, they always find their way back. When I am with you, something similar happens. Even if the day is difficult or confusing, when I see you, everything seems to fall back into place.
That was a surprising poetry for a god.
Perhaps we should let the gods decide who won.
Wait, now it's my turn to talk. I thank you for your honesty. Speaking from the heart is not easy, and for this, I respect you both. I must clarify something really important. I'm not a prize. My heart must choose freely, and the person I choose must make me feel understood, respect, and at peace. You are strong, brave, and honest. Any herd would be lucky to have a sheep herd like you. But when I'm with you, the world feels lighter, even they will seem less complicated.
Chloé stepped forward and kissed him gently. For a moment, the valley was completely silent.
Well, losing a contest is easy when the judge is wise. And honestly, cows are much less complicated than love.
The three of them laughed together, and as the sun appeared behind the hills, the reality gave way to respect and friendship. Because some things, as the true victory, is not someone or affection, but learning to listen to art of others.
Welcome everyone. Today we'll be talking about the conflict between young men from Athena and the villagers. Their ship was damaged and taken away, and Chloé as well was taken away. Let's discuss how this situation could be handled differently. First question. how could the conflict between a young man from Athena have been avoided?
The conflict started too quickly and it got outrageous. If we thought a bit about it a little more calmly and normally, what happened to their ship and our village, it would be much easier.
Yes, we were angry and wanted someone to blame. Instead of accusing the villagers, we should have asked a question and tried to understand the situation.
Listening to each other is very important. If both sides had shown patience and respect, the conflict might have been avoided.
How could a young man from Athena arrive without violence?
We could have approached the villagers peacefully and asked for help with the ship. Cooperation and respectful communication would have created trust instead of fear.
Daphnis, please tell me, how could you save Chloé without violence?
In the story, I quit to the nymphs, and the god Pan sent scary signs that scared the attackers and gave back Chloé. But if everyone communicated better from the beginning, it would be much easier and better.
Can you please tell me, how could the conflict have been handled differently?
People should listen before reacting. When anger and desire for revenge take control, conflicts become worse.
Using problem solving and calm communication could help people find solutions.
In the story, Chloé was saved because of the intervention of God plan. But soft skills like active listening, empathy, and assertive communications and critical thinking could have helped resolve conflicts without divine help.
Última hora desde los jugadores del Xbox. Hoy la mitología se encuentra en realidad. Pan, el dios de los pastores, se siente en el banquillo por el acoso de la misma siringe. ¿Fue por amor o fue violencia?
Orden en la sala. Iniciamos el proceso contra el acusado por persecución y coacción. Tiene la palabra el Ministerio Fiscal.
Pero, su señoría, no hay excusa. El acusado es no rotundo, persiguió a la víctima. Y cuando ella se transformó para escapar de él la convirtió en un instrumento. Eso es cosificación extrema.
Yo solo quería ser libre. Su voz me aterrorizó. Tuve que renunciar a mi propia forma humana para que dejara de tocarlo. Mi voz en su flauta no es música, es mi grito apagado. Yo lo vi todo, Pan no aceptaba un rechazo, su presencia en el bosque era constante y asfixiante. Siringe tenía miedo de salir a pastorear sola, Pan usaba su poder de Dios para intimidarla.
Cortar las cañas fue el acto final, si no podía poseerla a ella, poseería su voz para siempre.
Objeción. Mi cliente también fue víctima. Siringe se burló cruelmente por su aspecto físico, despreciándolo por no ser ni hombre ni cabra.
El abogado defensor tiene razón. Pan también sufrió un bullying atroz antes de reaccionar desde el dolor.
Ella me humilló por mi cuerpo. Yo solo quería que me viera como un igual. La siringa era un trofeo de caza, además de que era mi único consuelo para mi rechazo y mi soledad.
Escuchar las partes, aunque el insulto de Siringe fue discriminatorio y cruel, no justifican ni la violencia ni el abuso. Pan queda condenado. El arte no puede nacer de la falta de conciencia.
Mi voz no es tu música.
Cet amour de celui de ton fils, ce n'est pas le tien. Prends l'argent. L'argent sera ton ami pour quelque chose. Sache-le. Tu vas mieux que ton fils se marie avec une fille qu'il est. L'argent ne t'apportera rien, on le perd. Tu perdras. Au lieu que ton fils, lui, sera heureux toute sa vie. Et toi aussi, puisque tu auras fait le bonheur dans ta vie.
Mon frère!